What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say, so you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this. I'm about to.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks here. Don't know how much battery time I have left on this, but so y'all was gonna come on, sign on, let you know everything's okay. I'm cooking it up right here, right now. You know, we're cooking. Yep, that's true. Get my meats going. And a little Japanese, Korean, buffet style location here at the mall at Central Plaza 3, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is how it looks right now. Now, get this, the floor out here is not 3 floors at the mall. It's not 4 floors at the mall. It's about 7 levels. At the 7th level is up there at the movie theater. And they got multiple food courts. Now, I recorded some of the stuff that they got in the mall about the food, like the quantity of food, but one thing that I will say about it is that they're different than patio. For instance, you know how you got your food court, your food vendors, street vendors? That's in the mall. Straight in the mall. That's crazy. And they got the grocery store, they got the health store, I got health products in here. They got a lot of good stuff. They got stuff. The only thing they didn't have for me is stuff for razor bones. But I probably could have got that in patio versus going to up here at the mall. No, they give me some sushi that's spicy. I might not make it today. The buffet's not bad. I mean, it's for like I think $3.99 a box. We got the little train, which is cool. It's cool to have in the mall. I remember seeing that when I used to work at the mall. And I can tell you this, like being out here, they really emphasize on malls. They don't really do that back home in the United States. We got to a point where the mall is dead. And anyone knows, if you go to the mall, East Ridge Mall in Gastonia, it's dead. It's a ghost town. All the stores want to branch out and be outlets and stuff. And people want to drive to the store where, in this high dense population, Bangkok is probably one of the largest cities in Thailand. People have to just come here. They force everyone to come here, which is good for everyone because everyone gets a chance to have their stuff seen. And I break them down levels. It's not random stuff like the cosmetic stuff, like if you're trying to get stuff done to your face or skin or whatever. You're looking at probably I would say you're probably looking at the fourth floor. That's what it is. Then you got your food. That's on the fourth floor or the first floor. And then on the sixth floor, which I'm on now. It's all interesting stuff. One thing I don't like, people won't know. What do you all like? Which one you prefer? I like patio. I'm not gonna lie. The reason being is very simple. I'm a very simple person. If I can put the food in my mouth, is that it's a lot of traffic. I was in traffic for almost 2 hours just to get to the lawn. Yes, I know it's a weekend, but that kind of sucks right there. You're trying to get somewhere, good luck. I'm gonna take 2 hours to take a bath. Let's do an hour and 15 minutes, maybe an hour 30 minutes. Because I took one of those tuk-tuks. Okay, thank you. So with their buffet, it's the same thing as before. They give you a 2-hour window to eat. So here, saying, hey, your time is here and your time stops here. Which I don't plan on sitting here eating for 2 hours. That's just a little crazy. And I've been eating pretty good. So a lot of people like, what have you been eating? Have you been eating burgers and things like that? Trying to stay away from that. Been eating mushrooms, beef, stuff like that. You know what's going on over here. That is pretty clean. Even with the street food, there's very little street food. That's the reason being tossed the oysters. Which we'll talk about. I think it was an overall great trip. I'm thinking to come back out here probably like 3 months, maybe 6 months, depending on how everything's going. And based off what people are used up, and some people say go to the Philippines next. And I might just swing over to the Philippines. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Because even if you go to either one of them, you're gonna need a month then. 2 weeks in one country and 2 weeks in another country. You're not gonna be able to get everything in 1 week. It doesn't work that way. Unless you're doing some business conference or whatnot. But I tell you folks, it's good to go ahead and have how much I got good battery. It's good to have a way to travel. So that means that you're gonna go ahead and do, traveling overseas. Get your passport. Get your passport. Get your passport. Don't get caught up slipping or you're like, I don't know. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to get to an age where you can't travel. But a lot of people get disabled and stuff like that, and they're like, well, I wanted to travel, but then I got disability, or I got this going on, I got that going on. And I tell people, you got to travel. If you travel, you can see more, you can experience more, you can see things from a different perspective. Right now, I'm just looking at what they have here. I don't really want no shrimp to pour into the very end. I don't want nothing fried at the very end because they offer fried stuff. Fried stuff will fill you up, and they offer you something to drink. I haven't got anything to drink yet. I will get something to drink here at the very end here, but I try to play it smart. But again, as we go on, as we're talking about this, you guys see a lot of stuff. You get to see different cultures. You see how things are in a different world versus watching the news. You know, there's so many times we sit there back home in the U.S. or listen to CNN or MSNBC, and they talk about how jacked up someone else is. And at the end of the day, you get over there and it's like, well, where's all this that you talking about? They're all jacked up there. And they can't show you anything. They're just like, well, you know, that's our reports. They don't have no one on ground zero, meaning on a location. When you have people on location, then you know what they're talking about. I've been out here, so if anyone want to ask me questions, we've been out here. Now, I ain't do every single thing out here, and trust me, I ain't do all that, but I've been to the mall. I might be going to buy some shoes. I might hold off on the shoes. I don't know yet. I'm about to retire some shoes that I got. They're no good to me. You know what I mean by that? Like, I almost bust my butt yesterday walking with Richie because the shoes lost grip. So it's not safe to have those shoes while it's raining at the environment. Like, it's been raining off and on here for a couple of days. So going back on the traveling thing, if you get yourself out there traveling, you get yourself out there looking forward, you can open your mind to a lot of things. I was telling people that last night on the street. I said, who told you you couldn't do it? Did someone tell you you couldn't do it? And I say, look, you can be anything you want to be. You can be a doctor, lawyer, naval officer, if you want to be a naval officer, scientist, politician, whatever you want to be. As long as you put your mind to it. There's no, oh, I can't do it. That's the whole thing about that limitation thing. You know, you don't want to have that type of mental block. You know, get into the habit of saying, yeah, I can see myself doing. I'm already there. That's what it's about. So guys, I'm gonna put the foam on a little bit more juice here. Oh, she brought me some more food. Oh man, got me some food. Oh. Thank you. She brought plates of food right here. Like, I'm not joking. So go ahead and get this going. A lot of stuff here. We'll put the camera back on. Hope this thing doesn't go dead on me. And they give that meat to you very thin. And unlike big chunks of meat that people are used to back home. But that's enough to take care of you. I don't want to have my meat all chunked up and stuff. So I'll just let this stuff cook up. But then I got another one I'm going to eat. You know, get all my proteins in and stuff. And then be able to take off. So guys, let me go ahead and give you some more camera action here. Do some more recording. I'm going to wrap up here because it's already 15:34 up there. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. Take care of some stuff that's going on here on my video camera. And then we're going to keep it 100. If I can get to the shoe store out here, I'll go to the shoe store and reshoot again. But it is what it is. No stress, no worries.
Hey guys, that's right. We have to end it off again. I'm cutting off the videos here between 8 to 10 minutes. So definitely, you know what you gotta do. Go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell notification, like and comment down below, and share the videos, guys. Share the videos. There's gonna be more to come. I hope that you definitely like this. Let me know if you say, hey, I want to see more, I want to see less. Let me know, and I'm gonna do this for you guys. I'm here for you. So again, thank you. Don't forget to check me out furthermore by subscribing. Again, Luke Brooks, Cooking with Luke and Friends. See you next time. Take care.